This is amazing, guys. They just walked right up to the campsite. Wonder if I can get any closer. They look like babies. I wonder where the mama is. They said, "That's too close." That was awesome. Like I said, I don't know where the mama is. This is my campsite, by the way, at Mammoth Cave. It's really nice out here. I was gonna do a video later, but I wasn't expecting those does to come up, so I started filming right then. I hope I see more like that. That was great. Alright guys, I'll catch you in a bit, see if I can find anything else.